Question number 13. A ball of mass 0.1 kg mass is given is thrown towards a stationary vertical bat. The bat hits the ball with a horizontal velocity of 20 meters per second. Okay. The ball hits the bat with 20 meters per second. Okay, so this is 20 meters. The ball rebounds and leaves the bat with a horizontal velocity of 15 meters per second. So when it goes back, it is 15 meters per second. Okay. What is the change in momentum of the ball? What is momentum? So m into u. So m into u, this is your initial momentum and this is your final momentum, right? He is asking about change momentum. What is change momentum? Delta P should be equal to P final minus P initial. So which should be, what is P final? P final should be m into, this is negative here, right? M into minus 15 minus, this is Pi. Pi should be positive. It should be m into, what is u here? 20 over here, right? So therefore, let me pull this over here. So this should be, what is m here? 0.1. 0.1 into minus 15 minus 20 should now be equal to minus 0.1 into 30, which should now be equal to how much? 30 into 0.1 is 3, right? So therefore this should be 3 minus 3, since this change in momentum, you can just say 3 Newton per second. No, wait, 15 into 20, sorry, this is 35. So this should be 35 multiplied by 0.1 should be 3.5. So this is 3.5 Newton seconds. The answer is D over here.